นี้นะคะเราจะมาลงทัวร์นะคะทัวร์โบ๊ทนะคะซึ่งคราวที่แล้วเราพลาดไปเพราะไม่ได้จองตั๋วล่วงหน้าคราวนี้ไม่พลาดค่ะตามกันมานะคะว่าเราไปลงทัวร์แล้วเนี่ยจะเจออะไรกันบ้างตามอุ้มมาค่ะ
Now we're also in hurricane country here. Back in October of 2018, we had a big one. It was called Hurricane Michael. It came barreling up through the Gulf. It went ashore west of us. Did a great deal of damage over there. A little bit later.
Sunning. They're all sitting on each other.
If you could ask an alligator what the perfect temperature is, he would tell you 88 degrees. They maintain the same body temperature as the environment that they find themselves in. Now, they do like to stay warm. I think you'll be able to see bumps or little ridges on his back, all the way out his tail. Inside those little ridges are blood vessels. He normally lays in the sun. Now, the sun is going down, he's in the shadows already. But normally you'll see an alligator laying in the sun. They're soaking up solar energy. That energy warms those little bumps on their back. That in turn warms the blood vessels inside. And then the cold-blooded animal is the one that is That's right there, the real Florida.
What bird is over there?
It's a cholera. This pile generates heat, and the heat incubates those little alligator eggs. Now remember, alligators are temperature sensitive. If an alligator egg is incubated above 91 degrees, all the baby alligators will hatch out as male. And if it's incubated below 85 degrees, they'll all hatch out as females.
I know that's interesting.
Baby alligators are very vulnerable. They're eaten by raccoons and larger birds. If they have a headache or a stiff neck, they simply chew on some leaves like Carolina willow. Those leaves have been analyzed, and now we know that they are almost identical to what you and I know of as aspirin. Today,
Here's a bird.
you'll get right up close to them. But at nighttime, the birds keep their distance, so do the turtles. But there are some hungry alligators. Not a good place to go swimming.
Well, there's that bird that looks like a snake. Yeah, watch the head. It looks like a snake in the water.
Okay?
Here's a bird.
You'll get right up close to them. But at nighttime, the birds keep their distance, so do the turtles. But there are some hungry alligators. Not a good place to go swimming.
Well, there's that bird that looks like a snake. Yeah, watch the head. It looks like a snake in the water.
Now we're going to take a zigzag pattern, a left and then a right. We're going to be soon entering the habitat of our vultures. We have both the black vulture here and the turkey vulture. They're migratory. They'll spend their summers up in Virginia, and they come back here every fall. I can see some of the trees straight ahead of us. They've been out hunting for food today, but they're now beginning. Not a very handsome bird, but could be sort of a function. will be alligators right here on this immediate shore. Remember, alligators are territorial. They respect that beach as being the territory of people. They're also solitary. They don't like to make friends with us. There's a big one right over here to the right. They don't like to make friends with us if they can help it. And they also only eat at night, so the beach closes well before dark. And there's never been an altercation between an alligator and a swimmer on the beach at Wakulla Springs State Park. Now I have to let you know a little bit about the lodge. That was Ed Ball's lodge. He opened it in 1937. He built it well, didn't spare any money on it. Now you can rent a room and stay upstairs overnight. On the right-hand side downstairs, there's an excellent dining room. If you want a good meal, that's the place to go. On the left-hand side, there's a quick order counter and a souvenir shop. And in the lobby, you'll find a glass display case. And in that case, there's a large alligator. You'll get a good chance to be right up close to one. Soon going to draw to a close. I want to thank you for coming out today. It was a beautiful afternoon. We did see alligators and turtles. Bring your elbows and your fingers in from the edge of the boat. And I'll try to get you tied up safely to the dock. Again, bring your elbows in from the edge of the boat. Bring your elbows in from the edge of the boat. Bring your elbows in from the edge of the boat. Thank you.
แล้วนะคะสำหรับทริปลงทัวร์โบ๊ทนี้นะคะเดี๋ยวเราพบกันใหม่ทริปหน้านะคะว่าเราจะไปเที่ยวต่อกันที่ไหนดีเจออะไรกันเยอะแยะใช่ไหมคะส่วนใหญ่นะคะก็จะมาเพื่อดูจระเข้หรือเอมิเกเตอร์ของฝรั่งกันค่ะนะคะแล้วก็จะมีสัตว์อื่นๆนะคะเห็นเจ้าหน้าที่บอกว่าจะมีเยอะในช่วงเดือนมิถุนายนอาจจะได้มาอีกครั้งนะคะหรือไม่ตามกันต่อนะคะในทริปต่อไปขอบคุณค่ะ